Oh,
Hi
we
guys!
are going to
To surf the
surf.
wave.
Yeah.
Hi.
It's our first time, guys,
Yeah,
but
so we're so excited
Yeah.
to experience the surfing.
excited yet.
Yeah.
There's
Ayun, si Kuya. Okay, tate. We're here at
we're here at
Dahican Beach, Maris City,
Yeah.
Davao Oriental.
So guys, abangan nyo yung vlog namin sa
Yeah.
pag-surfing.
I'll post later.
Yes.
Vlogger.
We're
We're gonna surf the speed. Ay, that was sense of humor, guys. I'm so proud of myself. Benta kay Kaya Sen.
Yeah, I'm so proud of you. So guys,
Hi guys,
Our-
video guys.
our videographer is please welcome
Please welcome guys.
our beautiful cousin Jai. Yes. So paki-follow sa iyang ano.
Instagram.
Yes.
I-contact namin niyo siya.
Yes. So di na among among trainer. I mean assistant there, guys. Yeah, the surfing instructor is there.
Hello guys. Tamara. Video guys. So mag-demo sa si Kuya kay Basta to jayo no.
So, hello guys. Maroon siya guys na magsugod nag-discuss, nag-demo si Kuya instructors para sa proper surfing. Yes. So, siya ang demo sa mga guys sa saan para ma-aware me sa mga pagbuhaton while surfing, ug siya ang mag-assist sa mga dito sa water. So, siya guys, nag-demo siya. So, we need to listen carefully so that ma-aware me sa when it comes to performing na. So, yan. So, si Teacher Ana ang una mag-perform sa demonstration. Nga, discuss ganina ni Kuya Instructor. So, go girl! Kaya mo yan. Go guys! Magsugod na ta. And I am the first to perform. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited yet.
Thank you. Fans! Palakpak! Yes!
You're the next.
Oh my God, it's my turn, guys! Woo!
Good luck, Che. Kaya mo yan, Che. Finally, it's done.
Hi,
So,
guys! Oh
So
my
how
God.
was the experience?
So I'm very grateful to experience this very heartfelt. Oh, bitaw guys, first 2 takes na ako kay wala, pero pagka consecutive takes na, I was so amazing.
Yeah, I'm so proud of you. You did your best.
How's the experience?
So far, whoa! So far, it was
Wow!
good. Because it is also our first time to surf.
Wow! I'm so proud of you.
So guys, we're done
Hi guys!
our
So we're done surfing and
Yes.
now